Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today we will see the importance of handmade wooden crafts during Christmas and tips for selling them. So watch the video until the end to see our selection and get inspiration. Handmade wooden crafts hold a special significance during the Christmas season, both for personal enjoyment and as items for sale. Here's a deeper look into their importance. Personal touch and sentimentality. Unique gifts. Handmade wooden crafts offer a personal touch that mass-produced items cannot replicate. Each piece reflects the creator's effort, creativity, and love, making them cherished gifts for family and friends. Memorable keepsakes. Items like engraved ornaments or personalized wooden signs can become treasured keepsakes that families pass down through generations, adding sentimental value to holiday traditions. Sustainability and eco-friendliness. Natural materials. Wooden crafts are often made from sustainable materials, making them an eco-friendly choice compared to plastic or synthetic decorations. This aligns with growing consumer awareness and preference for environmentally responsible products. Recycling and upcycling. Many artisans use reclaimed wood or leftover materials, promoting a culture of recycling and reducing waste. This practice not only supports sustainability but also adds character to each piece. Enhancing home decor. Warmth and aesthetic appeal. Wooden crafts add warmth and a rustic charm to holiday decor. They can complement various design styles, from traditional to modern, enhancing the overall aesthetic of a home during the festive season. Versatile decorations. From ornaments and garlands to centerpieces and wall art, wooden crafts can be used in diverse ways to create a cohesive holiday theme throughout the home. Fostering creativity and skill development. Artistic expression. Crafting wooden items allows individuals to express their creativity and artistic vision. This process can be therapeutic, providing a sense of accomplishment and joy as one creates unique pieces. Skill building. Engaging in woodworking enhances various skills, including precision, problem-solving, and craftsmanship. These skills can be beneficial not only in crafting but also in other areas of life. Supporting local economies. Small business growth. Selling handmade wooden crafts contributes to local economies by supporting small businesses and artisans. Consumers are increasingly drawn to unique, locally made products, which help sustain community livelihoods. Craft fairs and markets. Participating in holiday craft fairs allows artisans to showcase their work, connect with customers, and build relationships within their communities. This creates a vibrant marketplace for handmade goods. Creating lasting memories. Family bonding. Crafting wooden items can be a wonderful family activity, fostering bonding moments as family members work together on projects. These shared experiences create lasting memories associated with the holiday season. Traditions. Many families establish traditions around making Christmas crafts together. These traditions can be passed down through generations, further enriching the holiday experience. Economic viability. Market demand. There is a growing market for handmade goods, especially during the holiday season. Consumers often seek unique gifts that stand out from typical retail offerings, making handmade wooden crafts highly desirable. Potential for profit. For those looking to sell their creations, wooden crafts can be profitable ventures. With proper marketing strategies and quality craftsmanship, artisans can turn their hobbies into successful businesses. Selling Christmas wooden crafts can be a rewarding venture, especially during the holiday season when demand for unique, handmade items tends to rise. Here are some tips to help you successfully sell your wooden crafts. Dear viewers, are you enjoying our content? If you do, please consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already. Share us your thoughts in the comments section and also smash the notification bell so that you get notified every time we upload a new video of furniture design and decor ideas that will make you inspired and stylish option preferences. Tell us what you want to explore further in this channel on our next video of the furniture design and decor ideas. For your specific needs to transform your space and create an interesting experience in your furniture pieces. Tips for selling Christmas wooden crafts. Identify your niche. Specialization. Focus on a specific type of wooden craft, such as ornaments, decorations, or kitchenware. This helps you build a brand and attract a targeted audience. Unique designs. Create designs that stand out from competitors. Consider seasonal themes, personalized options, or unique finishes that appeal to customers. Quality craftsmanship. Attention to detail. Ensure that your crafts are well made and finished. High-quality products will lead to positive reviews and repeat customers. Durability. Use durable materials and finishes to ensure that your items can withstand the holiday season and beyond. Effective pricing. Cost analysis. Calculate the cost of materials, labor, and overhead to set a fair price that reflects the value of your work while remaining competitive. Market research. Look at similar products in the market to gauge pricing strategies. Adjust your prices based on demand and uniqueness. Create an online presence. E-commerce platforms. Set up an online store on platforms like Etsy, Shopify, or Amazon Handmade. These platforms cater specifically to handmade goods and have a built-in audience. Social media marketing. Use platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest to showcase your crafts. Share high-quality images, behind-the-scenes content, and customer testimonials. Engage with your audience. Storytelling. Share the story behind your crafts, including your inspiration and crafting process. This personal touch can resonate with potential buyers. Customer interaction. Respond promptly to inquiries and engage with your audience through comments and messages. Building relationships can lead to loyalty and word-of-mouth referrals. Participate in local markets. Craft fairs and holiday markets. Set up a booth at local craft fairs or holiday markets to showcase your products. This allows customers to see and touch your items before purchasing. Networking. Connect with other artisans and local businesses for collaboration opportunities or cross-promotions. Optimize product listings. High-quality photos. Use clear, well-lit images from multiple angles to showcase your products. Consider lifestyle photos that show the item in use. Detailed descriptions. Write compelling product descriptions that highlight features, dimensions, materials used, and care instructions. Offer customization options. Personalized items. Provide options for customization, such as names or special dates engraved on ornaments or signs. Personalized gifts are especially popular during the holidays. Variety of choices. Offer different sizes, colors, or designs to cater to various customer preferences. Promotions and discounts. Holiday sales. Consider running promotions or discounts during the holiday season to attract more buyers. Limited time offers create urgency. Bundle deals. Offer bundle deals for customers who purchase multiple items, encouraging larger sales. Gather reviews and testimonials. Encourage feedback. Ask satisfied customers to leave reviews on your website or social media pages. Positive feedback builds trust with potential buyers. Showcase testimonials. Highlight customer testimonials in your marketing materials to enhance credibility. Provide excellent customer service. Timely shipping. Ensure prompt shipping and handling of orders, especially during the busy holiday season. Clear policies. Clearly outline return policies and customer service contact information to provide reassurance to buyers. The importance of handmade wooden crafts during Christmas extends beyond mere decoration. They embody personal connections, sustainability, creativity, and economic opportunities. Whether creating heartfelt gifts for loved ones or selling unique items at local markets, these crafts enrich the holiday spirit while fostering community and tradition. Embracing the art of woodworking not only enhances our homes, but also nurtures our relationships and supports our local economies during this festive season. Selling Christmas wooden crafts requires a blend of creativity, quality craftsmanship, effective marketing, and excellent customer service. By following these tips, you can enhance your chances of success during the holiday season and build a loyal customer base for future sales. Embrace the spirit of the season while sharing your unique creations with others. Dear viewers, there you have them. Do you like today's content? If you do, please tell us what you like about them. Share us your thoughts in the comments section. And please consider subscribing the channel if you haven't already. And like and share this video to your friends and family so that it could reach wider audience. We will show you furniture design and decor ideas that will make you inspired and enjoy uniquely transform your living spaces or office. Thank you for watching the video until the end. See you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.